Alright, so last video I talked about the factorization for x cubed minus a cubed. I'm back talking about the factorization of x cubed plus a cubed. So really easy, really, I can just rewrite this as x cubed minus a cubed, right? And, well, this problem solved really. I can do one better. I say x cubed minus a cube. I'll do that. Alright, this is much better, right? Difference of cube. We basically have a difference of cubes again, right? So use the formula. We know difference of cubes formula is just x minus a times x squared plus ax plus a squared, right? Well, in this case, our a got replaced with a negative a, so we just end up with x minus a. Alright, you know the drill. X squared plus a becomes a minus a, so minus a x, and then plus minus a squared. Right? So really same formula. Replace a with minus a. Sloping down a little. I'll fix that. So x minus a, that's just x plus a, right? X plus a. X squared stays the same, x squared. Minus a times x, so minus ax. And plus minus a squared, no one cares there's a minus sign you're squaring it anyway, so it becomes a plus a squared anyway. And boom, we're done. X cubed plus a cubed factors into all this, right? Same sign, opposite sign, always positive, right? Expected result. Derivation is even easier this time. Follow for more things like this.